Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss about the problems of differential equations what we have discussed last day. Okay, so we'll discuss the problems that was asked in board exams. So what is the first question? So first question is this one, question number 1. So this is the first question. It is given like this: dy dx equals to x plus y plus 2 equals to 2 into x plus y minus 1. Okay, so whatever problems we'll solve, that is asked in the boards. Okay, this is asked in the ISC board. So how to solve this one, this part? So for this one, first what we need to do is that we know there are four techniques. In the last video we'll discuss that there are four techniques. One is separation, substitution, then is homogeneous, then after that there is one technique is called linear differential equation. Now look at here properly. Now if you see properly, x plus y is, we can see two times. Okay, now if there is one term it is repeating many times, okay, just take that one, let that one something. Okay, suppose here x plus y, I'm just letting it as z. Whenever one term is, you can see one term many times, just take that one as a z or any other variable. That means we are using here substitution. So here I am using substitution because I can see here x plus y, here also x plus y, same term is there. Okay, so that's why I'm just taking x plus y equals to z. Now next step, what is the next step? So differentiation of x, that will be 1 plus, now dy dx, and that is the dz dx. Now from here we can see here dy dx will be what? Dy dx will be dz dx minus 1, like this. Now just put the values here. Dy dx, what is the value? Dz dx minus 1. So that will be dz dx minus 1 equals to, and on the right hand side what is the value? X plus y. Look at here, x plus y. Now what is the value of x plus y? The value is here z. So that will be z plus 2 divided by 2z minus 1. So that will be 2z minus 1. Now minus 1, if the minus 1 goes there, that will become plus 1. So that will be z plus 2, 2z minus 1 plus 1. Now just use the LCM, 2z minus 1, that will be z plus 2 plus 2z minus 1. So it will be 2z plus z, that will be 3z, and 2 plus 1, 2 minus 1, that will be 1 by 2z minus 1. That, so dz dx is coming like this. Now simple thing, same thing, that is separation. Now we have to do the separation. That means dz will contain z terms and dx will contain the x terms. So what will happen then? So it will like this, it will follow like this: 2z minus 1 by 3z plus 1. Okay, dz, 2z minus 1, 3z plus 1, and here it will be equals to dx. Now integrate here and here like this. Now we have to solve this integration. Now how to solve this integration? So look at properly. Here again you can see the numerator and denominator, the power is same. Now for integration, if the power is same, we have to arrange the numerator as the form of the denominator. Okay, so first you can see it is 3z, but here it is 2z. What to do? Just take 2 common from the numerator, so that will become z minus half, and it will be 3z plus 1 dz. Okay, integration of dx. Now 3 is multiplied here. Okay, 3 is multiplied, that means I am just taking 3 here and multiplying 3 here. That means 3z minus 3 by 2, like this, and here it is 3z plus 1 dz equals to integration of dx. Now here we can see the denominator is here 3z plus 1, but here the numerator is 3z minus 3 by 2. So we have to arrange the numerator as the form of denominator. So we have to add plus 1 here, that means we have to add 1 here, that means it will become 3z plus 1, but we have taken 1 extra, that means we have to minus, that will, there will be a minus 1, and here it is minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 by, and the denominator is here 3z plus 1, and dz equals to, equals to, the value is here written integration of dx like this. Okay, so that is coming here 2 by 3 integration of, now if I separate this one, 3z plus 1 by 3z plus 1, that will become 1. Okay, 1 dz, and that will be minus 5 by 2 like this. Okay, minus 5 by 2 integration of dz by 3z plus 1 and integration of dx like this. Now it is very easy integration. Now integration of z1, what is the integration of 1? The integration of 1 is here z minus 5 by 2, and this will be log mod 3z plus 1 like this. And what is the coefficient of z here? The coefficient of z is here 3, and whatever be the coefficient, that will come here like this, 1 by 3, and that will be x plus c. Done. So this is the integration. Now z, you have to put the value of z. What is the value of z? The value of z was x plus y. So here the value of x was x plus y. So here you have to put the value 2 by 3. Now z, what is the value of z here? X plus y. So that will be x plus y minus 5 by 6. Okay, 5 by 6 log 3 into log mod 3 into x plus y plus 1 like this equals to 3 into like this, and here it will be x plus c, x plus c like this. So that will be the answer. Okay, so here we have use the process substitution. Okay, so depending on the question, you have to choose which one you have to use. Now next topic, next question, question number 2. So here we will solve miscellaneous problem which is asked in the board group. Number 2, sin x dy dx minus y sin x into tan x by 2. Now look at this one properly. This is a very easy one, you can guess it properly. So first of all, this is look like dy dx py equals to q form. Okay, this is a linear differential equation. How to make it linear differential equation? Look, in linear differential equation the coefficient of dy by dx is 1, but here it is written sin x. So I am just dividing sin x both side. If I divide sin x both side, it will become like this one, and y by sin x equals to sin x tan x by 2, and here divided by sin x like this. Okay, I am dividing sin x both side. What will happen then? Sin x and sin x cancel out, so it will become like this, dy dx minus sin x means 1 by sin x means cosec x into y, and that will be tan x by 2 like this. Now look at here, this is a linear differential equation. Okay, now this is a linear differential equation. So from here you can see what is the value of p. This is the value of p. So what is the value of p here? The value of p here is minus cosec x. Done. Now how to solve this one? From this one we can see e to the power, now integrating factor, same thing, e to the power minus integration of cosec x dx. Now what is the integration of cosec x? The integration of cosec x is log cosec x minus cot x. That one you can use, or here you can see there is a tan x by 2 na. Now there is a formula also, integration of cosec x is log mod tan x by 2 like this. Now if minus goes inside, it will become log tan x by 2 whole to the power minus 1. That means that answer will be tan x by 2 whole to the power minus 1, that is 1 by tan x by 2 like this. Done. So this is my integrating factor. Now multiply the integrating factor with equation 1. Now if I multiply, it will become like this, tan x by 2 1 by tan x by 2 equals to dy dx minus cosec x into y equals to, now on the right hand side if I multiply 1 by tan x by 2, it will become 1, so that will become 1 only. Done. So and now how to write the left hand side? So for writing the left hand side, what we need to do, d dx, first d dx into, it is a linear equation in y, so here y into integrating factor. Now what is the integrating factor? 1 by tan x by 2. This is the way to write the left hand side. Okay, d dx, the integrating factor in y, that's why y into the integrating factor. Okay, now again, now dx will go there, so d into y into 1 by tan x by 2 and 1 dx, like this. Now integrate both side. Now same thing, what will be the integration of this one, d of this one? The answer will be same thing, y into 1 by tan x by 2, and here integration of 1 will be x plus c, like that. So that will be the answer. Okay, so this is the way to solve it. So this is a linear differential equation. Then now next one, question number 3. Now question number 3, the question is given like this. Question number 3, it is given x square minus yx square dx plus y square, sorry, y square, that is y square, okay, plus x y square dx, sorry, this is dx, and it is given dy, like this. Okay, x square minus yx square dy plus y square minus xy square dx equals to 0. So this type of equation is given. Now how to solve this one? To solve this one, first write properly. Okay, write properly, find dy dx. Okay, so from here, if it is right like this, first find dy dx. How to find? X square minus yx square dy. Now here it is minus y square plus xy square dx. Just write like this. Okay, now look at properly. If I look properly, from here you can see there is a common. What is the common element here? X square. And from here, what is the common element here? Y square. So that means if I take x square from here, what will happen? It will become 1 minus y. Okay, dy, like this. Now from this, if I take y square, what will happen? It will become y square into 1 plus x dx, like this. Okay, just take the common element. Done, common element. Now we can see here we can apply separation, because here look at the dy, with dy there will be y term and with dx there will be x term. Now it is possible to separate. How to separate? Y square will come here and x square will come here. That means it will become like this, 1 minus y by y square dy minus 1 plus x by x square dx. Now integrate both side, just integrate. Okay, now what is the integration? Separate this one. How to solve it? Separate 1 by y square minus, that will be y by y square. Y by y square is 1 by y dy. Okay, dy equals to that is again separation, minus integration of 1 by x square plus x by x square is 1 by x dx. Okay, now solve this one. 1 by y square, 1 by y square means y to the power minus 2. So what is the integration? Y to the power minus 2 plus 1, and here minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 by y, the integration is log mod y. Done. Here also same thing, x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, and it is log mod x, and it is plus c. One constant will be there, it is plus c. So the answer will be minus 1 by y log mod y equals to minus plus 1 by x and minus log mod x plus 6 plus c. Now just a few things you can do is that if 1 by y come here and log x come here, what will happen? That will look like this, log mod x minus log mod y equals to that will be 1 by y plus 1 by x. Okay, 1 by y plus 1 by x plus c, like this. Okay, now log a Now this is the formula of log a minus log b. What is the formula? Log a by b equals to 1 by y plus 1 by x, like this. Like this you can just write. So this is the this is the equation. Okay, this is the differential equation. Done. Okay, so here we have applied the process uh, of separation. Okay, here we have applied the process of separation. Done. So this is the question number 3. Now question number 4. We will move to question number 4. So what is the question number 4 given? The question number 4 is given like this. Number 4. So it is given x square dy plus xy plus y square, okay, dx equals to 0. We have to solve this when it is given when x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. So this is given x square dy plus xy plus y square dx equals to 0. You have to solve this one when x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. Now again, how to solve this one? So this is the equation given. So how to solve? First you have to find dy dx. Okay, so here x square dy equals to, it is minus xy plus y square dx. Now you can see one thing is common here, y only. So you can take the y, but from here if I find dy dx, okay, dy dx, what will happen? It will become minus xy plus y square by x square, like this. Okay, it is coming like that. It is coming like that, minus xy plus y square by x square. Now look at properly. If I look properly here, what is the degree here? This is 1 1, that means 2. Here the degree is 2, but here it is plus, that means the overall degree here is 2, and in the denominator also the overall degree is here 2. Now degree in the numerator and degree in the denominator both are same. Now if both are same, that means we can take, this is a homogeneous, that means this is a homogeneous function, and it is a homogeneous function, therefore we can take y equals to vx. Okay, let y equals to vx, that means whenever there is a homogeneous function we can take y equals to vx here. Okay, now just do the derivative with respect to, find the differentiation with respect to x. Now what is the value here? Dy dx equals to v into x, derivative of x will be 1, and then x into that will be dv dx, like this. Okay, so this is the value of dy dx. Now just put here the value of dy dx. It will come like this, v plus x dv dx equals to that will be minus xy. Now what is the value of xy here? So here it is y, we know the value of y is vx, so that will be x into vx plus here it is y square, that means it is v square x square divided by the denominator is here x square. Now from the numerator, if I take, you can see here x into x is x square, so from the numerator you can take x square, that will be v plus v square, like this, and here also there is a x square, so x square and x square cancel out, and here v plus x dv dx, like this. Done. So here it will be like this, v plus x dv dx equals to minus v. It is coming what? It is coming minus v square, like this. Now if the v goes there, it will become x dv dx minus v, and if the v come here, it will be again minus v, that means it will be minus 2v by minus v square, like this. Done. Now the next step will be again the same thing, we have to do the separation here. Now if I do the separation, what will happen? It will come like this, dv by minus 2v minus v square, and here it will be dx by x. Now again the same thing, integration. Now how to solve this? Now again I am telling that one, for differential equation integration is the main thing. Okay, you should know how to solve integrations. Now how to solve this integration? Okay, this one how to solve. Now there are different ways to solve this one. First we can take the minus outside. If I take the minus outside here, that will become like this na, dv by v square plus 2v, like this. And here it is dx by x. Done. So several ways to do that one. Now we can see here minus integration of dv by v square plus 2v. So denominator is here v square plus 2v. Okay, so v square plus 2v, I'm just writing plus 1 minus 1, like this. And here it will be integration of dx by x. Okay, dx by x. Done. Now it is coming. Now look at here properly, this 3 is coming a formula, a plus b whole square. That means dv by v plus 1 whole square minus 1 square, like this. And it is integration of dx by x. Now what is the formula here? Integration of x square minus s square. The formula is 1 by 2a, this is the a and this is the x. So formula is 1 by 2a log mod x minus 1 minus a by x plus a, like this. Okay, and integration of this one is log mod x, and you can take log c, the constant as log c. So you can see 1 cancel out, so that will become minus 1 by 2 log mod v by v plus 2, v plus 2 equals to, and here it is log cx, log cx, like this. Okay, now minus half is there, if it goes there it will become log v by v plus 2 whole to the power minus half, and here it is log cx. Okay, now it will be v by v plus 2 whole to the power minus half, like this, and here it is cx. Now if I square both side, it will become like this, v by v plus 2, squaring both side, that means minus 1, and it is coming c square x square, like this. Okay, c square x square, and again same thing, and power is minus, so that will become v plus 2 by v c square x square. Now just put the value of v. We know the value of v is y by x. Okay, the value of v is here y by x plus 2 by y by x equals to c square x square. Now do the LCM, we'll get the result. The answer will be like this. Here do the LCM, that will become y plus 2x by y plus 2x by y equals to this is y only. Okay, this is the y equals to c square x square. Just multiply this one and that will be the answer. Okay, so this is the technique. So here we have discussed several techniques to solve. Okay, so whenever a question is given, you have to first check which one you can apply. There are 4 techniques only you have to apply. So first one is separation, substitution, then homogeneous and linear differential equation. So depending on that one you have to use. Okay, now one thing is that here one thing is given, is x equals to, I think value is given, maybe in the question it is given. Okay, so here the after solving it came like this, x square, wait, yes, here we can see this is a solution. But now in the question it is given x equals to 1, y equals to 1. That means you have to use that one. Okay, at the end you have to use that one, x equals to 1, y equals to 1. If I put x equals to 1, y equals to 1, what will happen? 2 by 1, and this will be c square into 1, that will be c square. So that means c equals to what? C equals to now from here c square, what is the value of c square? The value of c square is coming 3 here. Okay, so here just put it. So what will be the equation then? Y plus 2x by y equals to c square. The value of c square is here 3 into x square. Now the answer will be y plus 2x equals to 3x square y. So that will be the solution. Okay, so that will be the solution. And now that means if the value is given, at the end you have to put the value, whatever value of x and y is given, and you will get the answer. So this is the solution. Done. So whenever the question is given, first you have to check which one you can do. Okay, in the next session we'll do again more sums of this differential equation. For today, thank you.